Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Chinese keyboard on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's easy actually. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Expand this. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select language and region. Now click on add a language and here we can type Chinese. And this is the format Chinese simplified China. Click on this, click on next, and then click on install, and it has been installed. And to make it the default language, all you need to do is click on these three dots here and then select move up. Now I won't click on move up, otherwise everything will turn into Chinese, but once you click on move up, it will become the default display language on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.